Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link PayPal with Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all we need to do now is just to go to Shopify so we can start connecting our PayPal account within our store. So you will need simply to go to your store and from there you will be needing to go to the setting. So here we can find the side menu and from here you can find orders, products and all the things concerning the operation of your store or the processes of your store. But what we are interested in is to go to the settings so we can set up the PayPal payment. So we can simply go here in the corner or at the bottom and we will find settings. So by clicking on settings, we will find many options. There are two ways of adding uh, the PayPal. Either you can add PayPal as a payment method so you can start receiving payments from PayPal, or you can add PayPal as a billing method so you can start paying Shopify with PayPal. So here we can go to billing and from here you can add this payment method. So either you can add a credit card or we can add PayPal. In my case, I'm just going to choose PayPal and from here you can click on pay with PayPal and you of course you will be needing to link your account by connecting your account. So to add PayPal as a payment method or to receive payments using PayPal, you can simply go to the supported payments method and click on activate PayPal. So you can either choose provider and find all the other providers, or we can simply just go here to PayPal and click on activate PayPal. And of course, you will be needing to activate PayPal by setting up your account and connection is like this, and then you will be redirected to your PayPal page. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.